We're looking into entertainers from outside the school, a couple grand each. We decided to go with a guy from on campus, a guy from the senior class. With that being said, let's get it up for senior Declan Traynor.
Out here again performing magic. It's been a year since I've been able to do one of these live shows, and I'm very excited to be doing my first one back here with all of you guys. All right, so to begin, I want everyone out in the audience here, I want you to take your hands and I want you to put them straight out like this, thumbs in the air. All right, everyone? So, you guys got it? Now I want you to take your thumbs, I want you to put them down at the ground, spin them in. Perfect, everyone's got it. And then finally, I want you to connect them just like this. So if everyone's got it. All right, so now that we're all like this, on the count of 3, I want you to twist your hands out without unlocking them. 3, 2, 1. That one takes a little bit of practice. I had to dislocate my shoulder a little before we started to do that one. But for this next one, I need an audience member. What I'm going to do is I got this rabbit right here, and I'm going to toss it out to the crowd. I want someone to catch it, and I want you to throw it out to a person behind you, okay? I want you to toss it out to a person behind you. Whoever catches that, so much. All right, what I'm going to do, Tom, I got a deck of cards right here. Oh yeah, join me up on stage. I want everyone to be able to see you from who's not here, right? All right. Beautiful face that we got to show off to the crowd here, right? Yeah! So what I'm going to do, Tom, is I'm going to go through the deck, and I want you to tell me when to stop whenever you want. Just tell whenever you want. And, right now. This is, ready? Ready? Tell me when to stop. Now. Right here? You happy here? Yeah. I want you to take this card right here, and I want you to look at it, and then show it to the camera, show it to the audience, make sure everyone can see it. All right, Tom, what I'm going to do now is I want you to tell me what was your card.
7 of diamonds.
What's your card? Yeah, that was just, I might go up for later, but right now, that was just it. All right, I need someone who's very trustworthy. Me! Hold on to something. Right here. Come on up. Who else thinks that? All right, who's Trey, you're trustworthy. Come on up here. A little bit, okay? We're gonna come back to you at the end. Don't want you to tamper with it. You can hold on to it for right now, okay? But I'll bring you back up later. That was it. Just a little short. All right, what I need for this next one, I'm gonna need 2 volunteers to come up and help me right here. Ready? Whoever catches it is up here with me. 1. All right, pass it back to one more person. We need 2 people. We need 2 people up here, right? All right, who are the 2? Who's doing? We got. All right, perfect. So while they're making their way up here, what I have in my hand is a book. I'm pretty sure some of you are familiar with this book right here. We got, you've heard of this book right here?
That's
You've heard of it? Yeah. Very important book. I want you to look through, just make sure that that is indeed the one that you read, or maybe just, looked up the summary online. I don't know. All right, perfect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this book right here, and I'm going to flip through it. And whenever you want, I want you to tell me when to stop. All right? Go through. I want you to tell me when to stop. Just whenever you want. Right here? Yeah. Happy with this page? Yeah. All right, I want you to look at the first word where my finger is, okay?
Yeah.
I want you to remember that, okay?
It's a good word. Yeah.
So you remember that word, okay? And you're going to do the same. We're going to get 2 words going. I want you to tell me when to stop whenever you want.
Stop. Hey, stop.
Stop.
Right here?
Yeah.
All right, I want you to remember that. You got that word?
Yeah.
All right, so we got 2 words out here. You try to get in your mind. You guys come up a little so we can see you on stage. You're just kind of a little hovering over there right now. All right, so I'm going to start with one of your words, and I think one of you had an animal. Was it? I was thinking it might have been a pet. I would say it's a shorter word. I'm getting maybe a cat.
Yeah,
I'm thinking that's what it is. Cat? I'm thinking that your word, it might come later. You might say that your word appeared after his word. Was that your word? Was the word after?
How does it do it?
All right. I'm going to need one more audience. Again, I'm going to pass out the rabbit. This time, I think I want a teacher to help me out. So I'm going to throw it to you guys. You guys toss it out to whatever teacher you want. Sleight, I want you to toss it to any teacher that you want. So what I need for this trick is I'm just going to be using, all right, so for this trick, I'm going to be using 8 cards. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got these 8 right here. I'm going to go through them, and I want you to pick any card you like. Take it out, look at it, show it to the camera. It doesn't matter if I see it, that's not that important for this trick, but I want you to look at it, make sure we're aware of it. Put it right back here. So, that's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to mix up his card a little bit, and I'm going to break it up into 2 piles of 4. So we have 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. Now, if you see your card, guys, notice it. Don't say anything. We're going to go through. We have the king of spades. We got the 4 of spades. We got the 9 of diamonds, and we got the 3 of diamonds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 4 right here. I'm going to step on them, hold them in place right there. So he's going to hold those 4 right there. So right now we got those 4 right there, and we got these 4 right here. So I want to ask you guys, did you see his card when I was going through them? No. What was the card? What was the card? 4 spades. The 4 spades, you saw it go through there?
Yes.
What I'm going to try to do is get your card to jump from under your foot into the middle of the stack. Snap with my finger. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I want you to look under your shoe, pick up those 3 cards, and show them to the camera. 3. 1. It was 4. One of them has disappeared. For this next one, I need someone, anyone out here wearing red right now? I need someone who's wearing red. I see. Who's back there? Come on up. And then I just need one other random person. Doesn't matter who. I'm going to toss this to you. Ready? Whoever wants to, come on up. Or you guys step in front. What do you got? All right, Ryan, we gotta go through two. You kind of got a little bit of red. This works out a little bit. We'll put him right here for right now. So the reason I picked you is because even though you're way in the distance, I saw a little something on you, okay? What I saw was a little bit of red. So I'm gonna try to pull it off. 1, 2, 3. Right here. I'm gonna roll it out, and I'm gonna try to split it into 2. Now if I take these 2, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and jump from here to here. Now, these 2 sponge balls are actually brothers. This one's name is Sponge Ball A, and this is Sponge Ball B, or SpongeBob, as he likes to be known. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these 2 to completely switch places. Now, this is completely impossible. How could I get them to switch places? Well, just right there, they have completely switched places. So, now that they've switched places, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick out your hand like this. I'm going to put the sponge ball here, and I'm going to hold it as high as possible, okay? We have this sponge ball right here. Now, I did tell you they're brothers, and I did tell you they like to switch places. What? This brother, I'm going to see if he can rejoin his brother. And sometimes when this happens, they like to change a little bit. We'll see what happens. Ready? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to open up your hands. We got 2 have jumped right there. Ryan, stick out your hands. We're going to take these 2. They're coming to frame a little more. We're going to take these 2 and we're going to hold the tight fist just like that right out here, okay? Now, I actually have another sponge ball here in my pocket, and I'm going to see if this one can join his other ones. This one is Sponge Ball C. Very intense days. Ready? I'm going to see if we can get him to join with his brothers. 3, 2, 1. No way. I'm going to open your hands. We got all 3 have joined. Now, this is going to test a little bit of your math, okay? So here's what I'm going to do. If I take 1, I take 2, and I put 1 in my pocket, how many are in my hand right now? 3. 3? I might be right on the first one. We'll try it one more time. Ready? So if I take 1 sponge ball, I put it in my hand, take another, put it in my hand, and I put the last one in my pocket, how many are in my hand right now? 0. 2? 9. All right, since we're out of those sponge balls, we're going to have to move on something different. So this is my last 2 volunteers. I want 2 people who can come up here, bring up the energy. And then I need 1 more person. Who's going to be my final person? Who's it? Father Demetrius. Father Demetrius, come on up here for the final trick. Now, where's Machi left? All right, I guess someone else. Dangler, you come on. All right, Chris, coming up. So for this one, we are going to need, we got a regular deck here. What we need is just the joker. So we use any old joker. We're going to start him out right here. Now, this joker is very good at finding things. So, so this joker is perfect at finding things. So Father Demetrius, I'm going to have you go first. I want you to pick any card you like from this deck. Perfect. And you can show it to the camera. You look at it, make sure everyone knows what it is. Doesn't really matter. This one, again, doesn't really matter if I see it that much. All right, perfect. I want you to take your card, put it right here. So now, Christian, you're also going to try to find a card. Right? I'm going to go through and I want you to tell me when to stop whenever you want. Ready? Tell me when to stop. Right here. Take this card. Do the same thing. Look at it. Show it to the camera. Make sure everyone knows what it is. All right, you guys all got it? You guys all saw it? Perfect. So, put this in the middle somewhere. All right, now, I told you we had the Joker here. He's extremely good at finding things. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to find Father Demetrius' card first, all right? I'm going to go through and I want you to tell me when to stop whenever you want.
Stop.
Right here? Perfect. Joker's going to go and he's going to rummage around for a little bit, see if he can find it. 1 card less, and you would have stopped on the 7 of diamonds. 1 card more, and you would have stopped on the 2 of hearts. But you, in fact, were able to stop on the Queen of Spades. Was this your card?
No.
Was this yours? So he's not perfect every time. So right now, we're going to leave Christian. We're going to put your card. We're going to have the rabbit sitting on it. So he was able to find your card. We'll see. Give him one more try. See if he can find your card. He's done okay so far. We'll have the Joker right here. I'm going to go through, and I want you to tell me when to stop. Right here. Perfect. He's going to go in, rummage around one more time, see if he can find it. 1 card less, and you would have stopped on the 2 of hearts. 1 card more, you would have stopped on the 9 of clubs. But you were able to stop on the Joker, but I thought that this card is the Joker. That means the last, Christian, what is your card? Show it to the camera. All right, so I need, I've had Trey, very trustworthy kid he is. He's been holding on to my card the entire time, the card box, all right? I want you to stand up right now, okay? Trey, it's a free choice. I want you to name any card in a deck of 52. Just out loud, any card that you want.
Ace of diamonds.
Ace of diamonds, that's a perfect choice. So what would happen is, before we started, I had sealed that box with a little bit of tape. I want you to come up on stage, bring that box with you. In this deck, I have kept 1 card face down. All right, so what was your card again? Say it out loud. Ace of diamonds. So we have 1 card in this deck that is face down. It's been sealed with a little piece of tape, correct? I've not interfered. I've not talked to you beforehand. We're going to stick that right here. We have 1 card in this deck. Ace of diamonds. 1 card in this deck is face down. They're all face up, except for 1 card right here. I'm going to pull that out, and I want you to show it to the audience. The 1 card... That was all I have for you guys today. I was so happy to be able to. Thank you so much. I'm not going to stay in commission. I'm so happy to be able to perform. Hopefully I get to do this a lot more. Thank you all. Really excited.